Welcome back guys. Today we are going to build our first agent in LangGraph. It will be a simple basic agent. It will have just one node starting and ending point. We will actually see that how to define the state or structure of our agent. We will understand data flows through a just single node. This will be a single just one node. We'll see how to build and compile the graph. Our motive is, for example, if we type Ali in name, it will say hello, nice to meet you Ali. That's it. So let's get started. First of all, we will have to import the important libraries. I'm saying from typing import type dictionary. What basically type dictionary is used for? It is used to build the structure of our agent or state of our agent. Then from LangGraph, from LangGraph.graph, I will import StateGraph. Here in core concepts, we discussed that type dictionary is used to build the structure of our agent. For example, there is a student, it has maybe name, age, and different other variables or parameters. And there is, you see, StateGraph. Previously, we discussed that StateGraph class is the builder and manager of entire stateful workflow. It organizes nodes, connects them with edges, maintains shared state. So basically, it is the builder that actually build our graph. And one more thing you have to do before calling this, you have to install LangGraph. I will simply type pip install LangGraph. I already installed LangGraph in my virtual environment. You have to just run this command in your terminal, pip install LangGraph. Let me just run it. After that, we will create a structure, our own structure. Now I'm saying that our node will have just only one variable. Its name will be name. That's it. So let me create a class agent state. You can name this class whatever you want, maybe student, teacher, or whatever. For now, it is state of agent. So for simplicity, I name it as agent state. And here I will pass type dictionary. Basically, it is inherited from type dictionary. And I'm saying it has only one parameter or variable, that is name. Its type is string. You don't need to learn about type dictionary in detail or inheritance in detail. What you have to do whenever we will initialize the state or build our custom structure of agent, we'll build this way. We'll just choose the name of class or state, and here we will pass type dictionary, and here we will mention the parameter, maybe name. After that, maybe we'll mention age. Its type also will be string or integer, so whatever. For simplicity, for now it has only one parameter, that is name. So basically we created the state. Let me just run it. After that, we will build the node, this node. So how to build it? We discussed that nodes are just simply Python function. Let me just write the function. Its name may be hello, and we will pass the state, and state type is agent state. What basically nodes do? We will pass the state in nodes, and it will return the updated state, and its type also will be agent state. So here if we pass Ali, it will say maybe hello, nice to meet you, and after that we will concatenate state name. Hello, nice to meet you, state name, whatever the name will be there. For example, if there will be Ali, it will say hello, nice to meet you Ali. And where we are going to store it, I'm saying we will store it in state name. And after that, we will return the state. In state name, there will be some name, and we are concatenating with this string hello, nice to meet you Ali, and we are going to store this whole string in state name. Basically, it will override this state name, and after that it will return the updated state. Let me just run it. Now let's see how to build our graph using StateGraph. So I will simply type StateGraph, and here I will pass agent state. Let me store it in a variable, maybe in graph. Basically StateGraph is actual builder who will build the graph. So we pass the state, then what actually it happened, it built the graph, but we have to add node, this say hello node. How to add this? We simply have to call the function graph.addNode, this function, and you have to type the name of your node. So for now I'm saying my node name is say hello maybe. Now here you have to type the name of function this node will execute. I'm saying my node name is say hello, and it will call this function, or it will execute this hello function. You can change this name whatever you want, maybe say hello or hello, so it's all up to you. So for now we have created our graph and we have added our node say hello. Now we'll see how to add start and end point. So there are different methods. For now let me show you just one. I will simply write graph.setEntryPoint. Our entry point is say hello node, and also our finish point is graph.setFinishPoint. It is also say hello node. Because we have only one node, it is the starting point and it is the ending point. So that's why I type set entry point to say hello and set finish point to say hello. It will be FINISH, finish. And after that I have to compile our graph.compile, and let me store it in a variable, maybe in agent. Let's just run it. You're actually able to visualize your graph, like what's going on. To visualize it, I will simply type from ipython.display. I will import display and image, and here I will say display image, and here I will type this agent dot get graph dot draw mermaid png. Let me just run it. Now let's see how to call this agent, or how to call this graph. I'll simply type agent.invoke, and we know that our agent have state and it has name. So here I will simply type name. I'm saying name will be Ali maybe, and let me store it in a variable like final state. Let's call it. Let's print the result. How to print it? I will simply type final state name. It is saying hello, nice to meet you, Ali. So what just happened? Our agent state has a name, and in name we pass the Ali. It will come here, it will say hello, nice to meet you, plus it will concatenate this string with Ali, and it will store this in state name, and it will return the updated state. Now the updated state have hello, nice to meet you, Ali, and we are storing the state in final state variable, and here we simply access it by using final state name. It says hello, nice to meet you, Ali. So now I believe you know how to build the graph. For you I have a gift, basically a just exercise. What you have to do, you have to build another agent. Maybe if you type Ali, it will print you are awesome, Ali. Ali is basically name. For example, in name you will type Ali, it will return this string, you are awesome. It is just a simple exercise. I believe in you, you can do that. So basically when you will build something, you will have more confidence on yourself, like yes, I can do that. So if you will have any confusion, the link of code and exercise will be in description. So have a great day guys, and take care, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next class.